Would you like more people to watch your YouTube videos? Just add an end screen and a call to action video to the last 20 seconds of each of your videos. We'll show you how to create simple end screens without bells and whistles. And we'll show you how to create a video call to action, or CTA, that works with the end screen. The CTA encourages viewers to watch your other videos and subscribe to your channel. All you'll need are a text editor, video editor, and screen recorder. Here's a short portion of the end card we'll create in this video. The entire end card will be shown later in the video. When thumbnails appear, click the playlist thumbnail at upper left to watch other videos related to this one. Click at lower left to watch a video specially recommended for you. As the example showed, the end screen, background, and narration must work together and must be designed together. End screens appear during the last 20 seconds of your video. We'll show you how to create an end screen with photo, text, or video background videos, then add them to the end of your existing videos. Here's how to create an end screen with a photo background. That's the easiest screen to create. First, design your end card and build the script for your narration. To design your end card, open your YouTube channel, select Editor for any of your videos. On the editor screen, select End Screen. Now add the elements that you want on your end screen. I'll go over all the choices and I'll just select a set I might use on one of my end screens. First of all, there are templates up here that give you groups of elements. I prefer not to use those. Here's where you add the specific elements. The choices are, you can add an element that will open a video, one that will open a playlist, one that will show a subscribe button, one that will refer to somebody else's YouTube channel that you want to recommend. And if you're a qualified YouTube partner, you can insert one that will link to a page in your associated website. You have to be in a qualified YouTube partner to use that link. It's not clickable on this one. To qualify, you need a lot of views and a lot of subscriptions. So let's go ahead and add a playlist link. Then you'll select which playlist you want. I'll just pick the first one here. It'll appear there. You can move it around. You can slightly increase the size. I'll just leave it where it is, and I'll leave the size where it is. You can drag the corners to increase the size slightly. Then I'll add a video element. For video elements, you have some choices. You can have it be the one that the video you most recently uploaded. You can have YouTube look at the viewer's browsing history and decide which one of your videos is the best one for him to watch. I have no idea how it does that, but it does. Or you can choose a specific video. I'll go ahead and choose Best for Viewer. That is recommended by most of the experts on building end cards. That'll hopefully show the viewer a video that he will like, and it'll be different from the type of video he's watching now on your channel, and he may decide he likes to watch more of your other videos by looking at this sample. Now the other one I'll add will be the subscribe button, and again you can reposition it all you want. You can drag it up and down. When the end screen is displayed, if you hover over your face, it will show a red subscribe button that the viewer can click. We showed you these elements earlier in the sample clip. We're going to use a photo background for this one, and it doesn't really matter where you put the elements because they're going to be on the photo no matter what. So I'll just go ahead and save it. By default, all the elements here will show the last 20 seconds of the video that the end screen is applied to. You can adjust the start times and end times shown here to make your element appear for a shorter period of time and somewhere else in the last 20 seconds of the video as opposed to the entire 20 seconds. To do that, this affects the selected element. That's the subscribe element. So you can change when it starts and ends in the screen. Again, it's got to be within the last 20 seconds of the video. Select another one. You can set those again. So you can have all three elements show up at different times during the last 20 seconds. Once you've got them there, you can preview the way it works. And since I don't have any audio, I'm doing just laying it out. If you were applying those to your actual video that you want to apply them to, our video background that we'll be making, you can play this, listen to the background, and then you can adjust when they appear or where they appear, depending on whether you want to change their location on the background. We'll do that a little bit later when we do the text example, create a text background for our in-screen. There are other options on this screen, but I think we've pretty much covered all the ones you will need to worry about to create your own simple in-screens. Because you can back up where you want your preview to start. If you're going to preview it by clicking here, you can adjust where this start position is. Now you could have it in the middle of your 20-second ending where the end card will be visible, or you could actually back it up before the end card is visible. If you're making a background video that's longer than your 20-second interval, just be careful how you structure the script so that it makes sense. And my script that I will show you in a moment begins before the end screen appears, because I want to describe things on the end screen, and it takes longer than 20 seconds to do that from my end screen. You create a sample end screen, then you take a snapshot of it with your snipping tool of just this area, and you'll use that to, if you're doing a text or video background, you'll use that snapshot to plan how your video scene will be, or to organize your actual text that will appear on the end screen. Remember, there's two pieces of text we're worried about. There's this text you're going to show on the end screen, and then there's your script text that you're going to read as the end screen appears. We'll go through the process. It'll be clear what's happening. You take a snapshot of this, ignoring this text because it just happened to be there. You're going to put your own text or your own video or your own photo here instead of what's here now. You're just using this to give you a layout guide to use. So we laid out our end card, and remember this, we just laid it out on top of a random video, so ignore the text here. That's going to be replaced by your new background. We're building an end screen that will use a photo. So we've selected this photo, and these guys will overlay parts of the photo, but it won't matter because of the nature of the photo. So be careful what kind of photo you pick. Now we will want a script to narrate the end screen with while these elements are displayed over this photo. Remember what's going to be happening. So here's a sample script. Let's see what it says. It says, if you enjoyed it, please click thumbs up below the window. No problem. Comments are appreciated. Many articles and videos. To watch them, open this web page. Well, we're not going to do that here. We're just going to use the photo. This is from an existing script that I'm modifying to suit this photo background. So that we're not going to use that part. Lower thumbnail to watch a video specially recommended for you. Fine, we're going to put that option element there when we set up the end screen after we upload our new video. Click my photo to visit the channel. It'll be there. And you can also click links in the video description. That's all still valid. Click the red subscribe button. And again, it's not going to be shown on computer screens, but if the user hovers over it on a computer, he'll see a red subscribe button, and that's what it says here. If you don't see the button, hover over the photo, or click the video thumbnail to watch a recommended video, and we'll delete that last line because it's redundant. This is the script for the narration the viewer will hear from the background video as the picture is displayed with the end screen elements. All three things are interconnected. What you're using for a background, what you're showing on the end screen, and what you're saying as you narrate. So you have to develop those three things as a group. Then what you do is you record the narration with the picture using a screen recorder. To test your background video, upload it to YouTube, edit the video, and add the in-card elements to it. Here's the playback of the uploaded video after the in-card elements are added to it. If you enjoyed this Tom's Tech Notes video, please click the thumbs up below the window, and please leave a comment. Comments are appreciated. When thumbnails appear, click the playlist thumbnail at upper left to watch other videos related to this one. Click at lower left to watch a video specially recommended for you. You can also click links in the video description. Click my photo to visit the Tom's Tech Notes channel. To subscribe, please click the red button. If you don't see the button, hover over my photo to show it. In-cards with text or video backgrounds are a little harder to create. You have to make sure that the in-card elements don't hide the text for a text background or don't hide part of your body if you're using a video background with you recording facing the camera. Here's how to create an in-card with a text background video. You may have to make a couple of tests to get your first in-card right. Start by creating a temporary in-card as we did for the photo background in-card. Use any of your videos, ignore the existing background. Choose and position the elements to fit your new background text. Save and close the in-card editor, play the video, and pause it with the in-screen displayed. With the Windows snipping tool, take a snapshot of the in-screen. Close your browser and open the snapshot next to a WordPad window showing your text. If you have room on your desktop or on your other monitor, open another text window to design your narration script. If you don't have room, you can write the script later. Open your screen recorder, set the recording area to exactly cover the in-screen. Drag the background text window back and forth over the snapshot, reformatting as necessary until it fits between the in-card elements. You may have to move the subscribe element depending on the shape of your text block. For this example, I'm showing the text that has URLs for my website and one of my web pages. Once you have the elements and the text positioned correctly, if you haven't already done so, set your screen recorder window to exactly cover the sample in-card that you have here and close the in-card picture. Now record the text with narration using the same screen recorder window. Upload it to YouTube and add the in-card to test it. If the text isn't exactly where it should be, adjust the position of the subscribe element or adjust the text format or both. If you change the text, you'll have to re-record your background video. But here's a tip. If you don't point with your cursor on your background video, you can record the video without narration, then replace the video portion of your background video. If you did point with the cursor, you'll have to re-record the text with narration. Upload the adjusted video and test it again. The first time you do this, it'll take several tests to get it right. Later, you'll get it right after one or two tests. After you're happy with the test, you can use your background video with any of your other videos. Just use your video editor to add the background video, the end of your video, then upload the combined video to YouTube and add the in-card elements. The steps to create an in-card with a video background are the same as for the text background. Just make sure the in-card elements don't block your face or body when you test it. I suggest you use a teleprompter to record while speaking to the camera. You should also replace the camera audio with audio recorded separately with a studio quality microphone. For videos showing how to do that, see playlist How to Record YouTube Videos. If you enjoyed this Tom's Tech Notes video, please like it and please leave a comment. For more help creating videos, please open my webpage at the URL shown here. To watch my other videos, open the website. You can also click links in the video description. When thumbnails appear, click the thumbnail at upper left to watch other videos related to this one. Click at lower left to watch a video specially recommended for you. Click my photo to visit the Tom's Tech Notes channel. To subscribe, please click the red button. If you don't see the red button, hover over my photo to show it.